Hi, this is a tutorial to run a what-if audit to see how your courses can count for the Interdisciplinary Studies major. After logging into your MyUCF account, go to Student Self-Service. From your other academic drop-down menu, click on What If Report. Create New Report. Please keep in mind that you need to change the catalog year to the most current semester. So right now we are in the fall 2022 semester. The next thing that you need to do underneath the program scenario is to select the appropriate college. So the Interdisciplinary Studies program is in the College of Undergraduate Studies. For the area of study, you need to select the Interdisciplinary Studies Pending program and no concentration. Then press Submit Request. Please keep in mind that this is only to be used as a guide, and this only works if your credits have been posted. So as we scroll down, if there's any outstanding general education program requirements that need to be completed, please consult with an academic advisor. And when we get through the pending audit under Roman numeral number 3, it should break down the 2 required classes that are required for the major. And then it's going to break down the 13 areas of study. So if you have any classes with this icon, it means it's a transfer course. Okay, now there is a limit on how many credit hours can be used within the areas of study if they are transfer credits. So just keep in mind that if an area of study looks satisfied, it may not be. And that's because each area of study requires 15 credit hours, 30 credits in total. Half of the credits must be earned at the University of Central Florida, and half of the credits must be upper level. So what the audit is designed to do, it's designed to pull in up to 99 credit hours per each area. So for this area, if I click View All, it's showing all potential courses that can be used towards the area of arts. Next, we have the area of behavioral and social sciences, commerce, communication, computational sciences, education, engineering, health, humanities, letters and modern languages, life and biomedical sciences, physical sciences, and finally public affairs. If you don't have any credits pulling in, it's possible you might need all 15 credit hours. The areas of study are based on a prefix system, so if you're curious to see which courses can count for the areas, you need to click on the course list. So for instance, underneath the public affairs area, there are 320 options. You can go through and see the types of classes that you might be able to take if you declare this area of study. Once you're ready to declare your 2 areas of study in your minor, your academic advisor will inform you how many additional credit hours you need to satisfy the areas. So again, please use this pending audit as a guide. When you meet with an academic advisor, we will solidify your remaining requirements with the 2 areas in the minor that you would like to declare. Take care.